Hello everyone, this is Yavaş from PicInfiniti.net. Welcome to another video in the Graph Studio series. In this video, I'm going to talk about generators. To access generators, just come to generator and you will find all of them. Some of these generators come from Graph-Rényi library. If you go to a standard library generator part, you can find them. I think I implemented all of this generator. If you want to read more about generator, or if you are a student, you want to know what is exactly this graph is and what feature this graph has, let me first disable for simulation. Okay, I put a little link here. As you see, go to in the generator section, you will see a little question mark here. If you click on it, it will redirect you to a page that give you some information about the graph you're trying to generate. As you see here, we can see a lot of information about bipartite graph. And there is a different generator here. We can generate empty graph, complete graph, bipartite graph. We have pass, we have cycle, we have ladder graph, we have caveman, we have connected caveman. You can click on it if you don't know what the caveman graph is. It gives you some information about that. We have a kite graph. Actually, this is a kite. To see the kite, you need to activate this feature. So if you activate this feature, it would be nicer when you're generating different graph. Let me show you how it's work. So as you see, we have a very dense graph here with a lot of gravity because all of them connected together. We have a cyclic graph. You can use this button to generate your graph, or you can directly write the number of, for example, let's generate a ladder graph with 20. I think it's 15. Yeah, because ladder graph, yes. When we say L5, it means we have 10 vertex. So let me go with 10. Yeah. And it gives you a very beautiful ladder graph here. You can play with this. And also we have a different zodiac here. I really love this section. Let me show you how to use it properly. Go to file and activate a skylight. Actually, I designed the skylight part specifically for generating different zodiac. You need to deactivate this feature, go to a skylight mode, and then try to generate different zodiac here. If you want to read about this zodiac, you can also click on the icon of that zodiac here, for example, about Scorpions. If you click on it, it will redirect you and you can read and learn a lot of things about this specific zodiac. I think I implement all of 13 zodiac, so you can access and see them. As you see, this is very nice implementation. I will talk about different metrics in upcoming video, but for now, let me show you something. Okay. All of the star information are real. So for example, if you want to use this feature for educational purposes, or if you are a student, if you click on a star, it will give you the exact information of that star, the name of that star, the magnitude of that star. It shows the how shine this star is in the sky. So we have the coordinate of the star too here. So all of this information are real, so you can use them in your class, or if you want to learn more about them. So let me zoom out. and the size of different vertices exactly describe their magnitude in the sky. So I try to be as precise as I can when I implemented this zodiac. I really love this feature. So this zodiac, all of the zodiac is here. We have different generator here. Let me see. Yes, I think I cover all of the generator. In upcoming video, I'm going to talk about different metrics. It's a very useful feature to reveal property of different graphs. So let's finish here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and share this video with all of your friends. See you on the next video.